name is Tina, and today I will be making this makeup tutorial for you guys using my cheapest products in my kit. Tama ba yun? Using the cheapest products in my kit. So basically, it's a full face using cheap products. Plus, I picked the products na mabibili nyo dito sa Pilipinas. So that's also good, and I hope you appreciate that. So this video will prove na you can achieve such nice nice look with affordable products, and at the same time, actually lahat ng pinili ko na products nagamit ko na ng matagal before. I actually like all of these products. I'll try next time naman something else. Comment down below what you think I should do for the next video na on a budget. Maybe I'll try to do the 500 peso. I don't know. I don't know if I can do that, but I will definitely try someday if you guys want it. But for now, ito yon. I actually like the outcome, and I would wear this out. I really like it. Siguro yung lashes lang di ako sanay because it's shorter than what I'm normally used to. But other than that, I really like this whole look. So if you want to see how I made this look, then please stay and watch the tutorial. So as usual, start with a cleansed, toned, and moisturized face. I'm using this sponge from Belo PH. It's amazing. Make sure that it's damp when you use it. I'm going to get the tinted sunscreen from Belo. It can be quite thick if you put a lot. So yeah, this is me realizing that I put too much on my hand and that I have to spread it out. So I'm just using the sponge to spread it, but you can just use your hand naman if you don't have the sponge. But I do suggest that you get the sponge because it's really amazing. Make sure to get your neck para pantay tayo. And this tinted moisturizer is a primer, foundation, and sunscreen. To give you more coverage, I'm just using the Maybelline New York concealer. This is in 2 shades. I'm using the more salmony one on the inner part, to sa mga may blue talaga, and the lighter concealer for the highlights of my face, which is the T-zone and under my eyes. So kahit hindi ganun ka full coverage yung tinted sunscreen natin, I will still be having that coverage that I need because of the concealer, and sometimes that's all we need. Tsaka maganda dito sa sponge na to, talagang nasa spread out niya without soaking up too much product. So you can see talagang nakakalat niya. Oh, see, diba? So I really love this sponge, and the concealer is thebomb.com. Alam ko hindi siya ganun kamura, but nonetheless, it's amazing. I'm going to put some contour na on my face just for the base later kasi the one I'm using for contour in a bit is not too pigmented, so this will help me for the base. Just make sure that you blend it really well because it can look muddy because it's quite orangey. Well, not orangey, pero it's not a cool tone color that we normally get. Pero it works naman. It will make me look a little tan than usual, which is fine with me. Also, very easy naman to blend, so you don't have any problem. Except it's very pigmented. Maybelline concealers are really pigmented. That's why it's also really good. So worth it naman yung price, even if it's a bit higher. For powder, I'm using this refill for Maybelline. This is in the shade Natural. It's the color of the majority of my face, so it's okay, pero I wish it was a bit lighter for this video, pero okay na rin naman siya. Actually, kung gusto niyo talagang makatipid, just buy the refills and you should be fine. For contour, I'm using this Fashion 21 ano ba to, double blush or eyeshadow, I think. So just swoosh it out together and just apply it like you would normally do your contour. Siguro dapat I shouldn't have applied it so thickly kasi medyo orangey siya, oh. Mo. Siguro if you were a bit tanner, it would work better, I think. I don't know. Well, I've used this for years, so it should be fine. Just go back na lang with your sponge if you want to make it more subtle. For the brows, this is called Eyeshadow. It's probably the cheapest one that you can ever find in Watson's, and it's worked for me for years, so it's very reliable and very, very, very much affordable, and it works fine. It's good for black-haired girls, it's good for brunette, it's good for medyo blondish. It's really good. Plus this Nichido brow setter, blonde yung nakuha ko, but they do have 3 other colors. Para siyang MAC dupe actually, yung brow setter ng MAC. It's very similar, so I like it then, and it keeps my hair in place. Next, I'm just going to clean up a bit under my brows kasi medyo may kalbo spot ako doon, and by doing this, it makes the illusion na mas buo yung kilay mo than normal. I'm using the Maybelline lang din. Then, I'm just going to remove the creases under my eyes. For eyeshadow naman, I'm using Sleek Makeup. This is not the cheapest, pero it's the least most expensive in my kit. And also, this ayun, nalaglag. This Everbelen na trio that was like a long time ago. Ayan ko kung meron pa niyan ngayon. But it still works and I still use it. Honestly, it's still the bomb kasi it's a really nice shade for transition. And I'm using the purple just to create that outer V Subtle lang, just to give me a bit more shading. And this is me contemplating kung should I just do a full smoky eye or not. But I think I decided na sa crease na lang siya and just make it more subtle and not as dark than what I anticipated. Actually, itong purple na to on the crease, at first it may look pretty wild, pero once you blend it in, tapos lagyan mo ng eyeliner, pwede siyang pang wedding actually. So don't be too scared about using colors. For the rest of the lid, I'm using the champagne color. Be careful because it's quite pigmented. I forgot how good sleek eyeshadows are. Dati, I remember na talagang it was the shit if you have that sleek palette. But yeah, it's really good pa rin, no? See? This blending is key, guys. For the inner corner highlight, I'm reaching out for the lightest color on the palette. It's super pigmented, so like I said, be careful. It'll really pop out. And reaching out for more purple color for my lower lash line. So at first, I'm making it very simple lang, very thin lang under my eyes. Almost outlining it lang, just a tiny bit. And then I'm reaching for this Nichido Kohl eyeliner. This is another staple. Back in the day, nung konti pa lang mga beauty gurus sa Pilipinas, this was the eyeliner that actually stayed on their waterline. It's really black, and I still love it. And it's mura lang. So here you go, guys. This is how I line my waterline sa taas. I close my eyes as parang just rub it, basically. Here, I decided to use the same purple color on the top lash line din para medyo same sila ni lower lash line. And basically, smoking it out a bit more para mas konting playful and more smoky ang ating purple eye look. One of the best drugstore brands for mascara is Maybelline. So I'm using that for my eyes like that. Just a little bit of vavavum. And then here I decided to just make my lower lash line smokier. Like I said, this look was very spontaneous. So I just kept adding and adding until I was done. Then again, go back to that purple color and smoke that eyeliner out. For blush, this is an oldie but a goodie. It's the Ever Belena blush in Fig. Kalmado lang kasi medyo pigmented siya, and if not used with a light hand, medyo, yan, kalma tayo guys, sabi ko. But you can always just go back with your sponge to calm it all down. Make sure na highlighted pa rin yung upside down triangle on our cheeks. Yan, ganun, mas nakakapayat, ganun. For falsies, ito na yung pinaka-cheap na meron ako. It's a Taiwan Lashes. I'm pretty sure everyone has this. It's an SN24. Oh, it's not the best, but it works. For highlight, I'm using the Essence Pure Nude Joint. This is a very fine satin glow, kind of. It's not super metallic. It's very soft lang. Kung gusto niyo ng everyday glow, ito na yun. Yan, o, diba? Parang kumikinang ka lang. And for lips, I'm just removing the foundation that is on my lips because I hate that. So Vice Cosmetics is one of the cheapest lipsticks that is out there. Here are 3 options that I've picked. I didn't know if I wanted to go nude or just a pink nude or a dark pink. What you think? I think I'm going for the light. Sorry, I forgot that was there. I think I'm going for the light pink. Yan, pang everyday lip color. Everyone has this lip shade. So if you want a cheaper alternative, here's one. It's the Vice Cosmetics lipstick in Chukchak. And here we are. O diba? Mukhang mamahalin na mga ginamit. Pero di nila alam. Everything's under 500. Okay guys, so this is the final look for my full face using the cheapest makeup that I have challenge. I hope you guys appreciate it. If you guys want me to do more of these on the budget looks for you, at least ngayon meron na tayo pang clubbing na makeup on the budget. If you guys want me to do more, then please do comment down below. I love all your suggestions and your inquiries. I do try to answer them as much as I can. So please don't be shy on commenting down below. If you guys like this, then please like, comment, and subscribe. Pass this on to people who you know would like these products or this look that I made. Kikay of the day is here. Congratulations, you are the Kikay of the day. If you guys want to be the next video shout out, just comment down below or comment any on my photos on Instagram and I will notice them and see them right away. That is pretty much it. I have nothing else to say, and with all that said, I want you guys to never forget that you are beautiful. Bye! God bless!